Hey people, so it was just occurring to me that this is almost April, right? So yeah, so it was like April 2019, yeah, or 2020, yeah, 2020. Life was just about watching these different shows and doing these short recordings of it, because sometimes it's with so much of content that is there online. It is nice to have this kind of a like navigation to tell you this is a good show, that is not. So really people, there is this show called 20 somethings Austin, which is all about this group of 8 young people from across America who've come to live in this house, in these two houses overlooking each other in Austin, Texas. And it's about how they are all trying to build, this is a reality TV. So it's basically, I think it is at some level inspired by this Japanese show called Terrace House, which is all about these young people who've been brought together in one place with the hope that they might find each other as partners and all, and at the same time they build their lives. So really people, 20 somethings Austin is, it's on Netflix, and it is such a real show. I mean, like, when you watch that show you realize that people across the planet are the same, and you can be living in Los Angeles and still be this cute bespectacled guy who's never had a girlfriend, and a guy who's in his 20s. Like, the show is called 20 something Austin, Texas. So really I can't recommend the show enough. It is on Netflix and it will blow your mind. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.